first presidential visit in 29 years. President Murmu's visit is the first by an Indian president to the Slovak Republic in 29 years, signifying renewed focus on bilateral relations. Objective: the visit aimed to enhance bilateral relations between India and the Slovak Republic. High-level meetings. President Murmu met with the President, Speaker of the National Council, and Prime Minister of the Slovak Republic to discuss various aspects of bilateral relations and issues of shared global and regional interests. Economic ties. Bilateral trade exceeded €1.28 billion in 2024, with India having a favorable trade balance. Key exports and imports between the two countries include mobile phones, motor vehicles and machinery. A Joint Economic Committee, JEC, was established in 1995 to enhance India-Slovakia commercial ties. MOUs signed. 2 MOUs were exchanged, one on cooperation in MSMEs between NSIC and the Slovak Business Agency, and another on diplomatic training cooperation between SIFS and the Slovak Ministry of Foreign and European Affairs. Invitation to WAVE Summit. President Murmu invited Slovakia to actively participate in the upcoming WAVE Summit in Mumbai, highlighting potential collaboration in media, entertainment, and creative economy sectors. Parliamentary cooperation. Emphasis was placed on the role of parliamentarians in enhancing goodwill and mutual understanding. The Slovak-India Friendship Group in the National Council of Slovakia was noted as a helpful initiative. Shared values. Both countries share values of democracy, rule of law, and convergence of views on global issues, strengthening their traditionally close and friendly ties. Space cooperation. The first Slovak satellite, S-Cube, was launched on Indian PSLV-XL in 2017. Nuclear cooperation. MOU signed on safe use of nuclear energy for peaceful purposes between India and Slovakia.